Hey, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. Today we're going to do some ribs on the smoker. Going to use the Char Griller smoker here. I started off with some charcoal, so I got the chimney ready to go here. And then once it gets going, throw some hickory on. So that's all hickory there in that pile. I got to cut up a little bit. But it's I'm doing one rack, and then my wife's doing another rack. She's doing hers in the house somewhere, or on the grill maybe. So it's the big rib cook-off. So smoked ribs versus I think she's might do instant pot, and then she's gonna throw them on the grill to give them a little color. So we'll see. But let me get this going, and probably won't be too long of a video. I'll probably just do a couple shots in between, and then we'll go from there. But beautiful day here. It's Saturday the 15th of June, Father's Day weekend. While this is going, I'll probably be mowing the lawn, and really got to start digging up that garden so we can get it going. But I'll catch up a little bit. I still got to throw some stuff on the ribs. Probably just use the one and done. But I'll let these guys start out. Throw some hickory in there. 3-2-1 method probably, although I'm going to speed it up because I want to try to have these ready by 5 o'clock. It's already 11:30. So usually try to keep it around 225 or so when I do 3-2-1, but we'll probably kick it up a little bit, maybe 250, 275 between there. But 3-2-1 is you cook them 3 hours, and then you wrap them for 2, and then 1 hour unwrapped. But I guess I'll show you. So the setup here, starting off with charcoal in here, and then putting in the hickory. What that does, there's a hole there. The heat comes in through here, and I have a pan of water here to keep things moist. And then the heat sticks around in here, and then eventually goes out that nozzle. So let me get things ready here, and we'll see you in a little bit. Thanks. Hey, welcome back. So we got a smoker going. It's up to about 235. I'll throw these guys on. Probably lose a little bit of heat here. Oops. Trying to do this so you can see. Alright, I'll pick that up later. So I just have these guys pulled off the membrane on the back here, and then I just put some one and done on. Not too much, but enough to make it taste nice. When you do these, you want to put them bone side down. So we're gonna go. I'm try to get the fire hotter. Gonna go 3 hours here. So we're using started it up with the charcoal, and then I got the hickory going. So right now the hickory is going to be giving the heat. And on this particular one, I modified the box a little bit, but it actually burns a lot hotter if I leave open the side here to give it a little bit more air. And then sometimes I'll even prop this open with a piece of rebar or something to give it a little bit more. But so we'll see. Also, what you want to do is you want to keep your chimney open so you get some nice airflow, but it's not barreling out. So we'll see how it goes. It's about 1 o'clock right now, so we'll let this go a little while. Try to keep the heat up and see what it turns into. We'll see ya. Hey, you heard the rooster. So we're about 3 hours in. Let's see how these guys look. Ooh, looking pretty good. So next step, I got some butter and some honey sitting on this tin foil. I'm going to take each one here, wrap them up. It's already getting some pull through here. Probably not going to take as long as I thought it was going to be. But I only got one hand, so I can't... Alright. I only got one hand, so I can't, because I'm taping myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these up, a little butter and honey, put them back on there for probably... Shut up. Alright, now do it. Camera's on. Go. Come on, Stormy. Alright, everybody, that's Stormy trying to steal the show here. Hi, Stormy. Alright, Stormy. Back to ribs. Now that I've lost all my heat. Alright, so I'm going to wrap these up, put them on there for another probably hour and a half or so, and then check them. So we'll check back later. Hey, it's Rob again. So they've been wrapped for probably about an hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half. So now what I'm going to do, the temperature kind of got away on me. Ran out to the beer store, and my wife called me and told me that the smoker was up to 325. So anyway, I've been trying to keep it between like 250 and 300 today anyway. But so it's going to be a shorter cook than I thought. So I'm going to try to do this without... so I'm going to try to unwrap these with one hand while I'm trying to aim it with my left hand without looking at the screen. See how it goes here. Let me grab this here. Woo! See how they're looking. Look at that! Hopefully I'm aiming it correctly. So now what I'm going to do, see if I can get this out of the way here. Put this down here. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is unwrap these, put some barbecue on them, and crank up the heat a little bit. Sorry about the terrible videoing. Plus it's super windy, so I'm trying to not lose all the tin foil. And my neighbor's mowing, which makes it hard for you to hear me. Alright, look at that. Ooh, these guys are looking awesome. Alright, so I'm just going to leave these tinfoil stuff here. Get some barbecue. We're going to be using the Sweet Baby Ray's, and my wife's going to be using this on hers too. So let me just do that. Use the old slop it around a little bit. This guy. So far what we've done, had them on there between 250 and 300. I think it was mostly sticking around probably between 250 and 275 for the most part. And then that was probably about 2.5 to 3 hours. Wrapped them for about an hour and a half. Temperature got up to closer to 300, 325 for a little bit of that time. So now what I'm going to do is close this up, open this up. We got Hickory going here. and move it around. And I'm gonna actually get another piece of hickory here. See if I can find a nice one. This one will fit. Okay. Let that guy go a little bit so we can catch. And we're gonna let this go for a little while. Probably let it go at least a half hour so we can dry up some of that barbecue on there. And we'll check back in a little bit. Hey, it's Rob again. So these have been going for about half hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, cut them up, see how they go. So I don't know if I'll video that portion, but you can see turned out pretty nice. Got some company over, so kind of on a everybody's over at the table waiting for me to cut them up and eat them. So anyway, we did 3-2-1 method today. This seems like it worked out pretty well on the smoker, which most of my videos are on the griddle, so happy to do a smoker video today. And just wanted to say happy Father's Day weekend to everybody out there. Make sure you call your dad, tell him happy Father's Day, and whatever he cooks, you eat it and tell him it tastes awesome. So thanks for watching. Hit one of these other videos I got going on here, that like button, subscribe, and if you want to ring that bell there, that way you know whenever I have a new video up. So have a great rest of the weekend. Got some good clouds going on here, but I think it might rain a little bit tomorrow, Sunday. We'll find out tomorrow. I still gotta mow. I didn't mow today. We got some mushroom soil over there for the garden. Anyway, ribs. So it turned out all right. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.